Always tracking, always alerting. Storm Team 8.
Although it's been cloudy here for quite a bit of time, it's actually helped our temperatures ever so slightly the last couple of days. A check across the Midwest right now, we're holding on to those 30s, upper 20s, especially in West Michigan. But look on the other side of the lake, 0 in Minneapolis, 16 in Duluth. Could be a lot cooler out there. We've been trending above normal, and that pattern will continue today. But again, so will that cloud cover. We did have high pressure slide through yesterday, and that was kind of our hope to see some sunshine. But unfortunately, such a thick layer of clouds pretty low in the atmosphere was not able to clear. We were left behind with completely overcast skies, and that is expected to continue to today. High temperatures this afternoon will top off in the mid-30s. Winds currently coming from the west-southwest at about 11 miles per hour. Again, a few degrees above normal. Our average high for today has actually dropped a degree, 31. So your future cast here for the next about 18 hours or so is going to be pretty quiet. You may recall earlier in the week we were predicting the chance for a few lake effect snow showers, and our kind of lowest resolution model that we're, or highest resolution model that we're looking right now is kind of indicating we could still see a few of those, especially south of Grand Rapids, but I don't foresee a ton of it reaching the surface. But something, of course, to keep on your radar. That'll clear out by about 6 or 7 p.m. We're left behind with cloudy skies overnight as a cold front starts to set up to our north, but that shouldn't impact us too much. Likely going to bring some snow to the upper peninsula, though. Now, over the next few days, you're probably wondering, is there another chance for sunshine? Well, kind of. The best chance that we do have is actually going to come on Monday. Likely going to be somewhere between mostly cloudy and partly cloudy, so breaks of sunshine here and there. Not necessarily abundant sunshine. We'll continue to lose some of that sunshine as we head throughout the week, and then really all eyes kind of shift to our next system, which is likely going to come Thursday into Friday, but temperatures are going to play a pretty key role in this. So here's what our setup will likely look like. Again, this can still change. This is several days out. It is going to pull in some rain showers, likely starting early on Thursday, if not overnight Wednesday into Thursday. It will be warm enough that most of this precipitation will fall as rain, but some of it may freeze on the surface, calling for freezing rain. Now, as we see some cooler air wrap behind this system overnight Thursday into Friday, that's when we could see some light snow showers develop. But notice we're seeing a lot of those light blues pop up. It's not going to be a ton of accumulation before it wraps up into our weekend. So again, really the next 2 weeks are pretty quiet as far as snow. This is typically some of the heaviest snow that we should see in the month of January, and we are just not picking up those totals. This carries through a Saturday evening, giving us about 2.3 inches in Grand Rapids. Models, of course, are fluctuating back and forth, but really putting us anywhere from about 2 to 6 inches for the next 7 to 10 days. So really not significant, especially given all the snow we've seen so far. A quiet couple of days ahead of us. 35 is your high today. Again, really overcast skies. Don't expect to see much sunshine. There's a chance we could see a little bit on Monday, especially during the afternoon, but it's not going to be 100% sunshine. We'll top off near 40 both Tuesday and Wednesday before we start to see that cold front track through, giving us the chance for some rain, a bit of a wintry mix transitioning to snow on Friday. We should be dry next weekend, and I'm hoping we can kind of turn this pattern around and hopefully see more sunshine.
Yeah, I'm really hoping it pulls through on Monday. I couldn't believe you said this is the longest stretch since what year?
2006. Isn't that crazy?
Oh, that is so sad.
Yeah, it is very sad, and I know a lot of people are missing it. If we can't have the snow, we should have the sun.
Honestly, though. Well, thanks, Sarah.